Hey, it's Neil from Functional Advantage, and I just wanted to say welcome to my clinic. You were probably looking for this right here. This is a free report or guide that people are using to help make better decisions about physical therapy. This guide will also help you make a better decision about which physical therapist to choose, because not all physical therapists are created equal. There are some good physical therapists out there, but there are also some bad physical therapists out there. And you'll find some good information inside this report that will help you make a better decision. But before I give this to you, before I give you a little taste of what's inside the report, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about who we are, what we do, and the types of people we work with on a day-to-day basis. Again, my name is Neil Sauer. I am the sole owner of Functional Advantage, which is a privately owned clinic. We're not associated with any hospital system or any chain of physical therapy clinics. We're a completely private clinic. We've been open since January of 2015, and we're located on M47 or Midland Road, a little less than a quarter mile north of the Sport Zone in Freeland. We work with people of all ages, but we specialize in working with people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s who truly value their health and want to remain active and on the go. We work with people who want to avoid potentially dangerous surgery, people who want to keep an active and mobile lifestyle, and people who don't want to have to rely on pain medication to live the life that they want or to simply even get through the day. These are the types of people we work with. We also work with those who want to prevent their symptoms from getting worse and then are worried about their symptoms getting worse and limiting their lifestyle. We work with people who want to be able to play with their children and play with their grandchildren again. Those who want to be able to get back to golf or who want to be able to go on walks with friends. Those are the types of people we work with. We work with those who simply want to be able to sit and sleep longer with less pain, or those who simply just even want a diagnosis. I've talked with countless number of people who have lived with a certain amount of pain for a long period of time and have never really been given an answer as to why they're having pain. And they've been just told by people over and over that they just simply need to deal with it and things just aren't getting better. These are the types of people that we work with. Now, inside this report, you'll find answers to questions like, will I see the same therapist every time? There are many clinics who have patients go from one therapist to the next, even from session to session. Another answer you'll find inside this report is, will my treatment sessions be one-on-one? There are several clinics who have therapists work with more than one patient at a time, maybe 2, 3, or even 4 patients at a time. And unfortunately, you just can't get good quality and individualized care when that's the case when someone's working with multiple people at the same time. You'll also find answers to questions like, will I get a diagnosis? You'll find an answer to that in here. There are, that really boils down to how good the therapist is, which we talked about earlier. There's some good physical therapists and some bad physical therapists. Good physical therapists will give you an accurate diagnosis, but also give you an accurate prognosis, which is how they expect you to do and about how long it's going to take. With all of that, if you leave an initial evaluation or if you've left therapy before at another place and you really had no idea what's going on or how the process is going to go, you're probably not at the right place. So you find answers to all of those questions and many more inside this report. Because what it really boils down to is there's nothing more important than your health, and you should have as much information as possible at your fingertips or at your disposal to make any decisions about your health and also about the physical therapy clinic or physical therapist you're going to see. So what you need to do is click on the link to the right of this screen or to the right of this video, fill out the form quickly, and a report will be emailed to you instantly. So I hope that this report helps you make a better, more informed and educated decision about your health, but also about physical therapy. Again, click on the link to the right of this video, and your free report will be emailed to you instantly. If you have any questions about what's in the report or need clarification on something, please just simply reply to the email, and I will answer all those personally myself. Thank you.